Isa sa mga best defender ngayon ng Los Angeles Lakers at ng buong NBA ay itong si Jared Vanderbilt. Pero alam nyo ba na sa Denver Nuggets siya unang naglaro sa NBA? Well, originally Orlando Magic talaga ang nag-drop sa kanya ng 2018 at na-pick siya sa second round bilang 41st overall pick. Pero na-trade kaagad siya ng Magic papuntang Denver Nuggets at dito siya pumirma ng kanyang rookie contract. Gaya ng karaniwang rookie ay sa garbage time lang ipinapasok itong si Jared Vanderbilt.
That's off the market. Vanderbilt goes and gets it again. Oh, bounce back to Beasley. Vanderbilt threading the needle. Vanderbilt coming in, dish it off, Lighten for three. Inside, and there he is.
This one I'm interested to see. Can he play a little D?
I don't see Denver coming back and winning the #1 seed in the Western Conference.
There are some tickets remaining. Tomorrow, Philly to town. Vanderbilt's got it, and he's fouled.
You know what? He comes in and gets a steal. What a great hedge. You saw the screen came over, stepped over.
They made 43 of 86. Look out, Vando! And Vanderbilt slams it.
This current Rockets team has Tyson Chandler. A good dunk there by Jared Vanderbilt.
Kayo ba mga tol, sino ang gusto nyong gawa natin ng rookie throwback sa next video natin? Magkomento lang dyan sa ibaba at babasahin natin yan. Sobrang maraming salamat po.